Okay.
Tapos,
Then,
how would you have resolved this?
Looking at that.
yung nakikita na,
Now looking at it, how would you have resolved it?
wala akong kasi hindi pa siya resolved. Wala akong masabi. Ano bang,
Well,
say
ikaw.
that
What do
Kasi
you
ikaw
think?
yung nauna kanina. So, what do you think? Ano yung puzzle? Ano yung dapat nating sinusolve ngayon? Given those shapes and colors.
Knowing that you don't see it earlier.
But yeah, I'm seeing it. I'm so confused on what
We're
we
confused.
should be aiming
confused.
for.
Duha color kay tag-upat ra ang color kay diba?
Those are symbols. Tako ka.
Ikaw, Pam.
Pam, dahil konti lang
meron
yung
ka ring
sinasabi mo
meron ka
kanina.
ring mga sinabi earlier which was supposed to lead somewhere.
Same pa rin kanina for me. Arrow with different colors.
Okay.
Yung